learn Chinese in one day?
When can we say that we know a language or have even mastered it? Definitions vary based on individual perspectives. For someone theoretical, knowing a language might involve understanding its historical evolution, such as how it sounded 500 years ago. I take a much more pragmatic approach. I view language primarily as a tool for connecting with people. To me, knowing a language means being able to handle various practical human interactions confidently. And I believe that if we can navigate at least one situation successfully, we can say we know the language, even though there remains almost limitless space for further exploration. While the specific situations we encounter differ based on our lifestyles and professions, there are several situations we face almost daily. And one of them is dining in a restaurant or enjoying coffee in a cafe. Now imagine taking your business partner, your friends, or a date to a Chinese restaurant, whether in your hometown, in China, in Taiwan, or anywhere else in the world, and confidently leading significant parts of the conversation in Chinese. Think about how you feel, confident and accomplished. Consider how others see you, with deepened respect and admiration. Envision how this skill sets you apart and demonstrates your focus and dedication. I'm Filip Mráček, Master Teacher of Diplomats, and I promise you that these amazing feelings are exactly what this workshop will deliver. I'm not saying that you will become an expert on Chinese cuisine. I won't overwhelm you with unnecessary details, such as names of thousands of amazing Chinese dishes. Instead, you will gain confidence in using universally applicable sentences and get a glimpse into the fascinating and, in many ways, simple nature of the Chinese language. Our main focus will be on developing your active speaking skills. After this workshop, you'll be able to handle a complex situation in Chinese with confidence, which is something many students struggle with even after months or years of study. And beyond acquiring language skills, you will experience a new sense of self and a fresh spark in your life. Get your ticket below.